Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to get verified on Remitly. First thing first, verification is required on Remitly to increase transfer limits, access all services, and comply with regulatory requirements. First thing first, open the Remitly app on your phone and log in with your account. Tap My Remitly on the app and then select Identity Verification. Now enter your full legal name as it appears on your ID, then provide your date of birth, address, and phone number. Choose the type of ID to upload like passport, national ID, or driver's license, then take a clear photo of the front and back if applicable. Ensure the details are clearly visible and match your personal info. Now tap Submit to send your verification request. Remitly will review your documents, which may take a few hours to 1 to 2 business days. You'll receive a notification once your account is verified. Just note that verification is required to send larger amounts. Ensure your documents are valid and not expired. And if your verification is rejected, check the documents for clarity and resubmit. Once verified, you can send larger amounts, use more payment methods, and access all Remitly features. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.